Okay, Laura, this is for you.
Finally, Laura will never know what is coming to her. We'll wait and see.
The battle is not ours. We look to God above, for He will guide us safely through and guide us with His love. So do not be afraid. We need a rod and hide, for there is nothing we can face when God is at our side. Always the same song, just the same time as always. It's so fun, too.
Oh, are you all alone, my dear?
Why, yes. Yes, I am.
Your friends are not here?
No.
An apple, my dear.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Don't let the wish grow cold.
Oh. I feel so strange.
That's it.
I...
Now that Laura Sirenangel is gone, I will finally take back what is truly mine now. A pity she was a little too easy to handle with. But now I shall be unstoppable!
Laura, no! Laura, no!
Finally, the Queen of the Sun is gone. Now I can finally take over her kingdom. Now, my dark Chaos Emerald, it's time for the final curtain call.
Well, guys, like, share, comment, and subscribe to Laura Angel Siren. And please support the official release of this video.